Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the game and go straight to the pause menu. Press Esc now. Once done, pick Options and then Accessibility Settings because Minecraft centralizes voice features there. You need to find the narrator entry. It's the built-in voice assistant, not external software. Toggle it so the label reads off. Make sure you change it for the active profile or world, since settings can differ between single player and realms. This first step stops most in-game spoken text. Once in accessibility, click the narrator row and select off. This is the single in-game control that disables spoken chat, system messages, and item announcements. You do this because Minecraft's narrator is baked into the client. Turning it off prevents further interruptions. After switching, exit menus and test by opening chat or receiving text notifications. If speech still occurs, make sure you change the setting for the correct profile or server, and then reload the world to apply the change cleanly. You finish by reloading your world or quitting to the main menu and logging back in. That ensures the narrator state resets. If voice output continues, verify your operating system's accessibility tools, Windows Narrator, Mac OS VoiceOver, or third-party screen readers, because those run outside Minecraft. Make sure those OS tools are disabled or configured not to read the game window. If you still hear speech, report the bug with exact steps or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.